Stocks of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency or IREDA soared by as much as 10% on Wednesday after the company revealed plans to raise up to 4,500 crore rupees. Now this rally is pretty noteworthy because it comes right after a rough month where the stock tumbled by over 20% from its peak. But don't let this correction fool you. IREDA has been a goldmine for investors since its debut on the stock markets in November 2023. The stock is up a staggering 700% from its IPO price and more than 400% from its listing price. To put that into perspective, if you are lucky enough to snag just one lot of 460 shares in the IPO, your profit would be a cool 1,07,500 rupees. And this is assuming you cashed out at Wednesday's intraday high of rupees 265.7. But what if you decide to hold on? Could the stock still have room to grow? To dig deeper into that and more, we are joined by Akshay Bhagwat, Senior Vice President of Derivatives Research at JM Financial. Akshay, shares of IREDA are up 10% this Wednesday afternoon, and on the price chart, the stock has managed to break above the 20-day moving average for the first time since July 31st. Now, the volumes are also good. Is this good enough to confirm a rebound?
Yes. First of all, good afternoon, Suyash. And if you look at the IREDA shares, Indian Renewable Energy, today there's been a strong breakout of a range consolidation. And as you rightly mentioned, there have been strong volumes to back it up. And obviously, this comes because of the news of rupees 4,500 crore fundraising plan. And I believe there's a meeting scheduled on 29th of August where we will exactly get to know the details as to how this funds would be raised. So that's the slight suspense. But overall, the price setup is really very fantastic. If you look at the last couple of months or weeks, it's been in a range, but one clarity emerges that 240 is a very strong base which these prices have charted out, and now it is also regained the momentum. So the longer term price structure is very strong. Even the shorter term price structure has seen a regain of momentum. So if you're a short term trader and you're looking forward as to what would be the best case scenario, then the recent swing high levels of 300 is what you can look forward as your targets. Your stop loss would be below 233. And if you're a long-term investor, in for a medium-term investor, although the price data is a bit limited, but I believe even for long-term, the way the price structure is shaping up, the way the volumes are building up, it is definitely a stock from the long-term investment purpose. So if I were to project targets with a 1 to 1.5 year time horizon, then approximate 375 to 390 is the target area I would work with. The support here in that case would be somewhere around 190. So as a risk management, your stop loss will be 180 and around 375 to 390 is what you can target. So fits both type of time scenarios, short term as well as medium and long term. Consider your risk aspects and accordingly take the trade.
Akshay, what's your overall take on the power finance sector? Stocks like REC, IREDA and PFC for that matter, all three have turned multi-baggers over the course of a year. But over the last 1 month, all three have corrected somewhere between 3 to 5%. Anything that you like after this recent correction?
Power finance and REC also will note a short-term bounce back. So if you're keen on the trading perspective, yes, they are vulnerable for a bounce back because firstly, if you look at PFC, 480, 490 is a good support. It has started out and now it is preparing itself for a small bump up rally which can take it to 550. Similar for the REC limited stock where 560, 565 support has been built and now a possible breakout is in the making. 604 is the level you need to minutely work on in REC. Whenever this level breaks, you will have a momentum pickup all the way till 650. So that breakout has not yet matured in REC, but PFC, there are some better signs on the charts, but these are more of short-term pullbacks. These are trading opportunities. If you are keen on medium to long-term investment or really keen on chasing the momentum at this given point of time, it has to be IREDA because clearly there is news backed with volumes and price momentum, which are all the key factors for catching on to the short-term gains in the stock. So IREDA would be my best pick among these three names which we just spoke of.